Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we are making a complete restaurant style meal at home. A delicious combination of aromatic spiced basmati rice with juicy tandoori chicken skewers. And to make this delicious meal even more easier, we are using this Ninja Combi 14-in-1 multi-cooker oven and air fryer. This all-in-one kitchen appliance combines multiple cooking functions like steaming, baking, grilling, roasting and air frying in one smart design. Its combi cooking technology helps keep food moist inside while giving a delicious crisp finish outside. So let's create this delicious feast with a perfect blend of traditional taste and modern cooking technology. For the tandoori chicken skewers, the first step is to marinate the chicken pieces. For this recipe, I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces, the wedges of 1 large capsicum, add the wedges of 1 large onion, 3 tablespoons of curd, I am taking the juice of 1 lemon. Next I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of tandoori masala powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well till all the pieces are nicely coated with the marinade mixture. So I have mixed all the chicken pieces, the capsicum and onions with the marinade. So we're going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. Let's prepare the chicken skewers. I'm inserting a piece of capsicum, a piece of onion. Next, insert a piece of chicken. Brush a little ghee on the chicken pieces, the capsicum and the onions. So I have taken 400 grams of long grain basmati rice for this recipe. So I'm just going to wash and soak the rice for 30 minutes. No need for multiple appliances. This smart all-in-one kitchen companion brings together roasting, baking, steaming and air frying by replacing 4 appliances in one powerful design. The non-stick steel interior with removable parts makes cleaning easier. So now I'm going to prep the spiced basmati rice in the combi pan. So first I'm going to grease the pan with a little bit of ghee. Just spread it onto the combi pan. Transfer the soaked basmati rice into the combi pan. Now for 400 grams of rice, I am adding 900 ml of water. Next, add the whole spices, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Gently mix everything till the rice is well combined with the turmeric, salt and the ghee. The ghee is going to melt through the rice as it cooks. Cook basmati or sona masuri from raw grains with no boiling, draining or extra vessels. Place the Ninja Combi pan at level 1. Place the prepared chicken skewer sticks on the Ninja Combi tray. Now place the Ninja Combi tray at level 2. Turn the smart switch to Combi cooker mode. Click on the power button. Select the Combi meals and grill option. Set the temperature for 200 degrees centigrade and cook for 15 minutes. The Ninja Combi helps us create complete meals effortlessly, from perfectly cooked rice to beautifully grilled chicken. One appliance, multiple possibilities, making everyday cooking faster, smarter and more convenient. We have complete family meals in just about 15 minutes. Combi meals cooks wet and dry cooking together, like tandoori chicken, veggies and rice cooked at the same time. Look at that beautiful golden color and that perfect texture. The kind of finish we usually expect from a traditional tandoor, now made simple at home. Ready to upgrade your cooking experience? Bring home the Ninja Combi and use the code HOME25 to enjoy an exclusive 25% off. Wow, just look at that final masterpiece. A delicious aromatic spiced basmati rice paired perfectly with that juicy tandoori chicken skewers. A complete restaurant style meal made effortlessly with the help of Ninja Combi. Well, the aroma of this meal is just amazing. Now it's time to enjoy. Fantastic. The rice is cooked perfectly. It's got a lot of flavor to it. And the chicken pieces are so juicy and so yummy because it's absorbed all those lovely flavors. Fabulous meal. I'm just enjoying it right now. I just love it. The flavors complement each other and it's excellent. Traditional flavors meet modern cooking technology, and the result is a meal that everyone will love.